welcome. My name is Janine Cummings, and this is the Divine Nurture channel. Okay, this song is called I Invite Joy, and I hope you grin through the whole thing as you sing along. The singing along is so important, so important. It doesn't matter how you sound. You use your voice, the power of your sound, for your own healing. So it doesn't matter how we sound. I invite joy, joy, joy. I invite peace within. I invite love, pure love, to come home again. Come home to me, joy, joy, joy. And I invite peace within, and I invite love, pure love, to come home again. Come home to me, joy, joy, joy. I invite peace within, and I invite love, pure love, to come home again. Feel that in your body. Invite it forward. And I want you to grin as you sing it. This is big. It feels good in the body. See what you think. I invite joy, joy, joy. I invite peace within, and I invite love, pure love, to come home again. Feel it? Come home to me, joy, joy, joy. And I invite peace within, and I invite love, pure love, to come home again. One more time. Come home to me, joy, joy, joy. And I invite peace within, and I invite love, pure love, to come home again. Come home to me. Sometimes we just need to sing a little. I want to thank all of my subscribers, all of those that follow me on Facebook. I write as well, like inspirational articles. And so if you want to follow me there, it's just under Janine Cummings. And I want to thank all of those that every Sunday at Unity of Olympia that sing with me. This part will make me cry. Right now, we're not able to come together because of the virus. And so it's very important that I still share this music and share the healing with all those that I love and those I've yet to even meet. So thank you for joining me. Thank you for sharing your love with you. With you. We place a hand on our heart, and we say, I love you. Oh, I love you.